Hi, how you doing? My name is Diego Plata, and today I'm going to show you the assignment number 4 of Applied Data Science with our teacher, the Bash, sorry. My student ID is 4581. So on this assignment, we're going to work with pandas. These are a little more advanced than the previous three assignments, but it's not that hard. And as you can see, we're going to go through each question through the three questions that we have, and we're going to try to explain them very quick and very fast. So first, we import the pandas as PD, then we download the test.csv file and store in a data frame named myfdf. Yeah, sorry, I forgot, we have the file here. As you can see, it has lots of value, and yeah. So now for the second question, we just show the first two rows of the DF, so easy with head function. Then we delete the model column from the DF temporarily. We use that by using, we write here the drop function. We use the model fun, the model column. We make it to search on the edge, and yeah, since it finds that, it finds that, it deletes. So, and yeah, also for this question, we have to show and to make sure it's deleted. So we have to show the head. We have to use the function head to like show the output. As you can see, it just deleted temporarily. And since if we ask again to the function to give us the value, it appears the model row. So then also we have to make sure that we can delete it. Sorry. And also, sorry, for the next question now we have to make sure that it deletes permanently. Is so, and to make sure that is deleted this time also. So we do almost the same, but this time we save the result, the data frame without the model column in my DF data frame. In this way, we make sure that it's deleted. So as you can see, you don't have any model column. So now for the fifth question, we delete row 1, 3, 5. We'll see also the row under x is 0. That means y is in place true. And then we show the first four rows of the data set. Now, since we changed the file permanently, now we have to extract the file again and save it in a new data frame, since even though it has the same name as the previous one. Then we calculate the mean of range column. That's so easy. It has already a function in pandas, and we just use the range mean the mean function on the range column. Then when we calculate how many f do we have in the type column, so that we can do that, we use value counts, and it counts how many f we have. It's 50, and then we replace all those f with triple a's, and we show the first 5 rows. As you can see here, change, and it only shows the 5 first rows. Sorry. And then we get rid for the extra questions, we get rid of the comma, the money symbol, and the bracket from the cost column, and permanently display the first 5 rows. How do we do that? As you can see from the previous questions, we have to save it in a new data frame, but this time we save only the cost column in a new data frame. Yeah. We use the replace function that pandas already has, and we use regex true, being true. And we show the output. Here we have the cost without any space, comma, money symbol, or anything else. Then, yeah, also we show the type of colors, the type of cost column after this. Here you have the type, the cost is object. panda.courses.source. Now for number 9, we change the cost column data type to integer and display the result. See that these two are different? Yeah, that's, be, that's because we changed. So now for the number 10, we calculate the average of cost column. So easy, we use the main function. We already explained that in previous videos. And then we calculate the average of cost for each component. So easy too. We just go by continent and cost meant. Now we have to calculate the mean, max, and standard deviation, or STD, from the cost column and group each one by continent, all in a single line of command. So for the first, we have minimum cost, my df group by continent, dot minimum function. The cost is the column and the dot minimum is the function that it gives us the minimum cost. Also the same, we do the same but with max function, maximum, and then we do the same but this time with standard deviation. As you can see, this is the output, something very quick, very easy. It gives us everything we want to know. And then we just do everything, all of that in a single line of command. I don't know which one the teacher wanted, so I did both. We do that. We can select to show different functions by using app. And yeah, we have the min, max, STD, but we can show some more if you want. Right now we don't want that. And then for the number 12, we calculate the minimum, maximum, and standard deviation of all numerical columns. Group by each continent, all in a single line of command. It's like the previous one, but with this time we take the minimum, maximum, and STD from ID, range, value, cost. Yeah, and we have the result on this table. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so then okay, this is something I wanted to do, and it was to show the data types of the my DF, but it wasn't necessary. Then we have to illustrate the mean of all numerical columns grouped by the continent using a bar chart. We use the matplotlib inline and we group by continent. We use add. We put what we want to be. Then ID, we want to be there, like the mean of ID, range, value, cost, blah, blah. And then we use the plot and the type of graphic we want. Yeah, and type of graphic we want. Sorry, I disappeared. I was lost for a second. Sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. Then we count the number of each continent in the continent column. 144, 143, 142. This is important because for the next one we're going to need it. Yeah, then sorry. Oh no, sorry. This wasn't the case. So then we show the percentage of each continent in the column. It's about 15, 15. By using this, we use value counts. We normalize. That means we make it a decimal number, and then we multiply the number by 100 to give us the percentage. Then we show the unique values that we have in the cost column. Those are Asia, North America, Africa, Europe, Antarctica. Oh, yeah. And then we show the number of unique values that we have in the continent column. And we have 7, as you can see. Then we have to use the value count method for the cost column and describe the output as a comment in the net cell using and the hashtag for the comment. So yeah, we describe the outputs. So here we have, yeah, we have the like the how many times each number of this one it appears. It's very easy, and if we don't have to explain anything here. So let's put maybe. So for the number 18, we just plot a histogram for the cost column. We do that by, we did this already on a previous question, but this time we just, the kind of graphic we want is histo. That's the abbreviation for histogram. Now for the next one, we do the same, but we change the number of bins to 50 to show the result more accurately. As you can see, there isn't too much of a difference. Then for the number 20, we just show how many missing values we have in the zip code. That means that how many null values we have in the zip code column. That's 9. We show we use the is not function, and we do a sum of all that, of all of those, and then we do the same, but for the type column. Yeah, and in this case, we just have to. Also, something that else we have to do is like provide a summary of our node values in the dataset. So this is how many node values we have in each column. In ID 0, just you can see all of the columns have 0 node values except by type and except to zip code. And then we show the amount of rows and columns we have 950 and 8. So for the 21 question, we just show the rows with no missing values. So we can calculate that by just, we take 950 less 11, and we know that those are 939. But if we wanted to do this more professionally and with a function, we are gonna use my df dot drop now, so that it drops the values that, sorry, it doesn't drop the values that has any value on that row column. I don't know, on that cell, sorry. And yeah, we show the shape. And then so yeah, we show the shape. And then as you can see the difference, my df shape and with my df shape. Sorry, for the number 22, we show the statistic for the type column using the value count method included in not it's not a number, values in the list. As you can see, if we go to the last page, we have that we have two not number numbers. Then we show how many non-missing values do we have. Sorry, how many missing values we have. Those are two. Two. Yeah, and these are the non-missing values. Okay. Sorry, the missing values are 0. Yeah, so yeah, so we don't have any missing values. Okay, so that's one. Sorry, so for the next one, we replace the type column missing values with X and show the result again. Oh, sure. It was supposed to be 9. Yeah, no, that's right. 41. Yeah, we have, wait, what? I sorry, I came back. Yeah, sorry, there was a mistake. We show how many values that are not missing values. That means that we have nine missing values from the calculation. 950 minus 941, that means we have nine missing values. So for the next question, we replace the type column missing values with eggs, and then we show the result again. Now we have two missing values. Yeah, we just change the eggs. Sorry, we change the missing values with eggs on the type column by using Filna in the type column, the triple X, and using in place true. Then for the number 25, we drop the rows that have any missing value permanently and show the number of rows after running the drop command. We run the drop command and have any missing value and we drop it. As you can see, there are 941 rows and 8 columns that have no missing value. That's almost the same as the previous exercise. Now for the 25, we set the ID column as the new index and delete the index name. Here we delete it and then just show the first 5 rows. I don't know, yeah, I don't know why it puts that 5. That's all right. I can take it off. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't change anything. So yeah, for the 25, we just then show the first 5 rows, and then as you can see here, we have the 5 rows. And then it asks us to show the value of the cell that's ID is 70 and its column header is value. So yeah, the column header is values and the down number is 24. Sorry, my bad. On the value column. And then for the 26 question, we just show the index, the columns, and the shape of the current data frame. Yeah, we have everything here. As you can see, the columns, we deleted someone, and the shape, we deleted some columns and some rows. And then it asks to bring back the id column to the data frame and reset the index. So we do reset index by using the function reset index, using in place true. We show the first 5 rows and we show the index, the columns, and the shelf too. So then now what it asks is to use the describe method to see the statistics of my data frame and fetch the value of the first row and the third column of the result. That means, yeah, we have to show the statistic of each row and fetch the value of the first row and the third column of the, and yeah, and next one, as you can see, this is the table with the statistics, and then next we show what it asks us, that is to fetch the value of the first row and the third column of the, that's the first row count and the value on the, yeah, so it's very it's reducing the third column is value. So then it asks for us to sort the value counts of the continent column of the data frame. Then to sort the value counts of the continent column based on the alphabetic order of the continent. So we sort it by using value line counts, and then we sort the values by counts, and then we just sort them by name. As you can see here on the two tables. So now for the number 29, it has to show the columns of the following rows in one command. 1357, all of those in one command, 1357. And then to show the first 7 rows of the following columns type and continent. We do this by using the location found, the log function, and we put what we want from 0 to 7 and the two columns that we want. And finally, we just show the value of the type that are equal to x, triple x. So only these two values. And that's it. Thank you everything. Thank you everyone for everything and for watching my assignment 4. I don't know why 3, but okay. Yeah, this is assignment 4 and thank you so much and goodbye. I hope this worked for you. It was a pleasure.